इंग्लिश विज्ञान वेलकम्स ऑल द इंग्लिश लर्नर्स। सभी इंग्लिश लर्नर्स का इंग्लिश विज्ञान में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आई एम कृषाणु, an English professional communication and personality development trainer. And today I have come up with the next tense and that is had to. जो क्रिया आपको करना पड़ा, कंपल्शन क्रिया जो आपको करना पड़ा, कंपल्सरी वाला क्रिया है ये। यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे we have the formula. The formula is, come on guys, subject plus had to plus main verb first form plus object. The formula is subject plus had to plus main verb first form plus object. And here we have the positive sentence, negative sentence, direct questions, indirect questions. Direct questions are always answered in yes or no, and indirect questions are always answered in detail, brief or sentence. Positive we have had to, and negative we have didn't have to. Okay, for the friends watching me right now, we use have to in negative form as well as in question. हम have to को negative sentence में और सवाल में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Because with did, we always use the first form of the verb. Did के साथ हमेशा verb का पहला form इस्तेमाल होता है. Now moving on to the example is मुझे घर जाना पड़ा. Come on guys. I had to go home. Negative. I didn't have to go home. सवाल. Did I have to go home? Negative. Didn't I have to go home? Have to पे ध्यान रखना है आपको. Why did I have to go home? Why didn't I have to go home? इसका मतलब है मुझे घर जाना पड़ा, मुझे घर नहीं जाना पड़ा. मुझे क्यों घर जाना पड़ा, मुझे क्यों नहीं घर जाना पड़ा. और डायरेक्ट में है did I have to go home. This is the entire chart. आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. Friends, you have to practice. All the English learners are watching me. You have to practice this tense as much as possible. आपको इस फॉर्म में प्रैक्टिस करना है. He had to play chess. He didn't have to play chess. Did he have to play chess? Didn't he have to play chess? And why did he have to play chess? And why didn't he have to play chess? अगर आप बार बार इसको प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे, आपके दिमाग में बैठता रहेगा. आपको पढ़ना है, आपको बोलना है. That is the method of learning. आपको बोल बोल के प्रैक्टिस करना है. I hope you have understood the tense. I'll come back with my next video with the next tense. तब तक सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, बेल बटन दबाइए फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशन और कमेंट करना बिल्कुल नहीं भूलना. I will be back with my next video very soon. अपना ख्याल रखिए, टेक केयर एंड ऑलवेज बी हैप्पी.